Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Betterment for goal-based retirement investing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Betterment for goal-based retirement investing, log in to your Betterment account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the retirement section from the dashboard. Click on Start a new goal to create a retirement goal tailored to your needs. Choose a specific retirement target, such as a desired retirement age and lifestyle expectations. Fill in your projected annual expenses during retirement. Indicate if you have any current retirement savings or investments. Next, specify your risk tolerance by selecting options that reflect your comfort level with market fluctuations. Review the suggested asset allocation Betterment provides based on your inputs. Adjust the asset allocation if desired, balancing between stocks and bonds based on your investment strategy. Set a funding schedule for your retirement goal, choosing to contribute monthly, quarterly, or annually. Consider enabling automated deposits to simplify your contributions. Check the projected growth of your investments using Betterment's simulation tools. Once satisfied with the settings, confirm your retirement goal. Continue to monitor your goal progress through your Betterment dashboard. Make adjustments to your contributions or asset allocation as needed over time. Engage with ongoing financial insights and updates provided by Betterment to stay informed on your investments. Review your retirement strategy periodically to ensure alignment with changing personal circumstances or financial markets. By following these steps, you can effectively configure Betterment for goal-based retirement investing, setting yourself up for financial security in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.